say hi. Say hi. Okay. So, in order to make your transparent background in Krita, you want to go over here and find this little magic wand tool, contiguous selection tool, and then you're just going to select the background. If it doesn't work at first, if it picks up too much or too little, then you can kind of play with the settings. Over here, the threshold, how far it goes into, like it might pick up this, so you'd want to bring the threshold down a little bit. Anyway, so if it's selected all right, then you just hit the delete key, and it deletes the background. And then you go to select, deselect, or Control-Shift-A, with File, Save As, and then you're going to name it, and then you're going to hit Save. Make sure it's .png file, and then this says force convert to sRGB, which force converts it to a color scale that prints really well. On screen printing, and then store alpha channel, that's your transparency, and then you just click OK, and it saves it, and now you're done. Now you can upload it, or you can put it on, in a new image. You can move it around because it has this transparent background. It's, like clip art, things like that. You can make whole new designs with them. Just a really useful thing to know.